I want to show you one of the cheapest projects that I've probably done, and yet the result that I got has been amazing. It's not because of the project itself, but because of what happened after I did it. So here we used to have a cheap structure. I paid like 150 when I first got it, and then the fabric got bad like really quick, like in 6 months or so. So after I got this one, instead of throwing it away, we moved it to this area, and that's when the magic started happening, because we decided to put this bird feeder right here. So instead of just putting a pole, we left this old structure, and it's amazing what happens, because now we have it's like a paradise. You can hear the birds flying around. Now they're gone because I'm here, but normally all the birds from the neighborhood, there's a natural park nearby, so all the birds come and get the food, and they love to hang out in this structure. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You can do it with $200 to put it up yourself, and then that's it. You have fun. You get all type of birds of you name it, blue, red, yellow. We get all type of birds. And also we have this the bath for them. You see, it's filled of water. They love it. That's $20. So they have the food there, they bring it here, and it's food service for them. Or they have baths in spring, in summer. They love it. So it's pretty simple. One of the reasons I left the ladder here is because I just painted it. As you can imagine, for $200 you can't expect too much, but it's fine, because it's gonna last at least 1 year in good shape, and then just keep some maintenance. Get your private paradise full of birds every day. You can see we wired it right on top of the feeder. The reason being is that squirrels and other critters like to come and get the food. You don't want that. Well, maybe you do, but normally you don't. So with this is a fix. You get rid of that, and yet from time to time the squirrels come and eat from the grass, or they even run around these metal pieces, and it's fun to watch them just trying to get the food, and they never do. So that's up to you if you want to add that to your piece. So that's it for today. With $200 you get this amazing bird feeder. It's a great place for them to hang out and for you to watch them. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.